In this video, I'll show you how to check transactions on Roblox mobile. If you're trying within the app and you can't find it, that's because there is no option within the app itself. What you need to do is come to your internet browser and we need to use the official Roblox website. So open it up, and if it prompts you to continue in the app, you want to select continue in browser. Once we're on the browser, it's super simple. So you want to press this Robux icon here at the top, and that will show you your current Robux, but you also have the option to view your transactions just here. If you open that up, you can filter the type of transaction to purchase, and you can also change the date range. So if you want to check for the last 7 days, it will show you that. So that's how to track transactions in Roblox mobile. Thank you for watching.